What a beautiful day today. It's a Sunday. We're getting the car ready. Getting the 360 ready. A little...
Dude, they have a 10-footer one of these, right?
Yep. A little cruise before the car goes in for some body work.
This thing's charged too.
We'll see how it goes today. It's around 40 degrees Fahrenheit.
Second round.
That was dope. Mikey blew a hose doing a burnout. How you feeling right now, bro?
Excited, ready to rip. A little burnout in the Z, as one would. And
Didn't go so well.
thought I blew it up, or a head gasket, smelled a ton of coolant. Just blew the fucking heater core hose coupling out of it. So we're on our way to the store to fix it. See how it goes. All right, we got some parts. Even though I own all these at home, figured we'd buy them again to try. Hopefully this works. I don't know.
We'll see.
These guys didn't even know that they had this shit on the shelf.
Those guys didn't want to
Clowns, bro. Clowns. Hopefully that works. Let's try. I think the size is looking adequate.
There's the hose that went. Cracked right in half. Doing burnout.
Got Johnny wrenching over here. Johnny Ratchet Smith. And we're gonna have to
Show him that freaking repair you got.
Oh yeah, look at this man. No thanks to the guys at AutoZone. I would have got the bigger size one, but the guy's like, oh no, that was way too big. But I'm like, yeah, you probably don't know, but I'll just go with this one because I know it's gonna fit. But
It's looking pretty good right now.
it's looking a little bit better now, and we're gonna continue on to go to Dan's place to get some beers and some lunch.
Yes, sir.
And then we got the R chilling over here.